Okay, I've had squirrel, deer, something chew for the wire of my network cable, and I've got this running power over Ethernet to a hub up in my man cave there. So what I've done, I've just cut both ends, and I'm going to strip it back and rejoin it. Hopefully that'll fix. Okay, I've stripped it back, just used a pair of scissors, gently went round the outside. Obviously this inner core here, this white bit, plastic, is not needed. We just need to now untwist these wires that are in sets and join it to the other set, which is over here, colour to colour. So I've just removed the white plastic bit, and as you can see, it's designed to keep the wires separate. So when I tape it up, I'll show you how I'm going to keep all the wires not touching still. So I've just twisted my first two together, and now I'm going to do the other wires in a minute. Okay, that's it, all wired together. Now I'm going to test it, make sure it works before I tape it back up. So basically, I tape one like that. So I'll put a bit of tape around there. Okay, so that's taped, and then I can just lay, so I'm doing it with one hand, lay that on there and put it round. I'll show you in a minute. Just like that, and I'll do that on the other side. And then I'll tape it all up, which I'll show you once it's all done. Okay, that's it. All I've got to do now is seal that bit up, and then what I'm going to do is bend it round so it doesn't pull on itself. I'll show you that in 2 seconds. There we are, one repair. Maybe not the tidiest, maybe not the best, but you know what? It works, it's waterproof. And what do you want? And the reason I repaired it is a 50 metre Ethernet cable, so there's no point in me trying to rerun another wire. Just, this was a lot quicker. Okay, bye bye.